morning again, everybody, to the Endovascular TV. Now I have the honor to present you Professor Moll, which is a very well-known endovascular specialist, and we will take profit of this very interesting interview. Professor Moll, what can you tell us about the future of endovascular therapy? Where are we going, or where should we go?
Thank you for this question, and first of all, thank you for the invitation. It's a great pleasure being here. I think that the endovascular therapy is still progressing, and we have to work carefully together with the doctors and the developers of new technologies, because this is the way where vascular surgery will go to.
And sometimes it's not easy to use endovascular therapies everywhere. It's not widespread. What can difficult this spread of these new techniques? Maybe the cost, maybe the endovascular skills, or?
I think it's at the moment both, because we still have to build our training programs, endovascular training programs, together with the traditional vascular surgical programs. But then, of course, we have to prove that the new technology is not only good for the patient, but ultimately will also save money. But that's a difficult story, because initially it might be expensive. By being less invasive, faster recovery, faster going back to work, better quality of life, those things are more difficult to express money-wise. But ultimately it will be beneficial for both the patient and the treasurer of our countries.
So the issue is more the results than the technical difficulties?
Well, of course, when you go to the very latest innovations, there are technical difficulties. But endovascular technology is now around for more than 20 years, so half of the technologies are already established.
And coming again to the symposiums, meetings, we have seen very different kinds of symposiums last years, like direct live cases, like pro-contra sessions, like large talks. Which is the symposium of the future? Which is the best, or the one you like most?
Wow, I am biased.
It's not easy.
It's a very honest question from you, very open question, and of course I have to answer, it's Charing Cross. But to be serious, I think when I do not mention names, I think that a symposium has to have a certain goal, target. If it's focused on new technology, you should do that. When it's more focused on the theory, the science, if you want to call it science, behind the new applications, then the symposium should have a different color. So it's a mixture usually. And the problem is that I think that in the near future we have to be careful with live cases, because a case that you present at a symposium by teleconference should not be harmful to the patient. So sometimes there's no money to continue the satellite connection, and then you do a procedure fast, and then the educational part of the procedure is missing. So we have to figure out in the near future what can be a good hybrid procedure for both satellite conference in combination with the educational aspect.
Yeah, interesting. This year in CITA we have started the Endovascular TV project. What do you think? It is useless? It is it's worthless? Or
no, I think that this is the way to go in the future with endovascular TV and other initiatives in this direction. We are going in the right way, because everybody is using at the moment Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, Skype. Wi-Fi should be at every symposium available, so this is the way to go.
Well, thank you very much. It was a real pleasure to interview you and to have you here in Endovascular TV. So Thank you very much, and follow us on Endovascular TV.